The Automotive Collision Repair program at South Plains College is designed to give a student all the skills that they need to become an auto body technician at a body shop. We start with just repairing dents with hammers, dollies, and stud guns. Repair the dents and then finalize them with some body filler. And then the second semester, after they have painted modules which resemble a front end of an S10 truck, then they're ready to work on a real car. And I let them bring in real cars the second semester. They can paint, fix dents, use a MIG welder, use a plasma cutter, how to use the frame equipment. We do some CCC1 estimating, which CCC1 was very generous in giving South Plains College a grant to have CCC1 estimating being taught. All collision repair shops have to have ongoing I-CAR certification, and they are I-CAR certified in the PPE program of I-CAR when they leave here, which is a Pro Level 1 certification. We condensed the program to a one-year program that's designed to get them a job in 8 months, 2 4-month semesters. I have about half my students that are working part-time at body shops already, and then that has a real good chance to change to full-time once they graduate. This is a field of study where there are earnestly managers calling me all the time wanting my cream of the crop, so to speak, students. But all of them, not just the cream of the crop. I want all of my students to be able to find employment after this course. They're ready to enter the workforce when they get out of here. It gives them an opportunity to succeed.